Careful words make for a careful life. Careless talk may ruin everything. Proverbs 13:3. Yeah, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am back with another makeup tutorial. As you can see, this makeup tutorial is looking so simple. This video is just like my very simple everyday makeup tutorial. Daily makeup routine is like the simplest ever. Like when I mean simplest ever, simple. So yeah guys, if you want to know how I achieved this whole magic on my face with no wasting time, keep on watching. First off, I'm starting with my hair. Like, I made sure I put so much product in this hair because I was not even understanding the way the hair was acting up. Just brush up this hair, and I'm still gonna put a lot of products today. I don't think I'll put water though. I just wanted to. That's what I'm using. I'm using that much on my hair. Next off, I'm going in with this Mega Growth conditioner. I'm going to go in with this Echo styling gel just because I want the coils to appear wet. Like, it doesn't do any damage to the hair. You can just wash the hair and it's out already. Priming my face with this Pond's primer first. I'm making sure to blend this primer out well, because if I don't blend it well when I apply my foundation, it just gives another obvious layer that there's something under my makeup. The Black Copper True Pore Perfecting Liquid Foundation. So I just go into this small damp sponge. It's among my shimmery sponges, and just press that foundation in as well. So I'm gonna go in with this shade from my Tara Pada palette. I'm going to take my sponge with that and just press that into my skin. Press that into everywhere that I will highlight on a normal with my concealer. So my powder is doing my highlight job for me. By the way, my sponge is down. So next thing, I'm taking the darkest shade from the two darkest shades to contour my face. For blush, I'm taking this shade. Going into my face powder, I'm just going to blend my whole face together. For some highlights, I'm going into this palette. To get my brows done. Black Opal Total Coverage Concealer Foundation to just clean my brows. When your concealer is thick, like very thick, you have full control, you have more control over it than when it's liquidy, especially when cleaning your brows. With this black pencil to just line my under eyes. I'm going to let this dry a bit, then I press it into my skin with my sponge. And I'm using a damp sponge. The other ends of my sponge should just do that. So yeah, this is it for my everyday makeup tutorial, and I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram at Princess Udiori. Follow me on Facebook at Kassim Udiori, and follow me on my Snapchats at Udiori with a double I. I'll see you guys and catch you guys in my next video. Peace.